New Victoria police recruits will now have to undergo more training as the department launches a new program aimed at community engagement.
We want to make sure that the officers know from day one, in fact, before they get their badge, the importance of community connections.
VicPD has officially launched its Before the Badge training, a week-long program giving officers insight into local diversity groups before they even start formal police training at the Justice Institute.
When an officer shows up in uniform to try to de-escalate a situation, what is it that they ought to be aware of, right? What are perhaps some barriers into building that rapport and into providing that assistance?
So far, 13 social, cultural, and religious groups have joined the program. Each group will meet with the new recruits over a 5-day period to help them better understand their history with policing and how to avoid doing harm when interacting with members of their community.
There have been cases where there were very difficult encounters between police and Filipinos where I think if the officers had had some training in the values and attitudes and, you know, the way Filipinos relate to each other and to the police, that would have been useful. And, you know, difficult or negative incidents could have been avoided.
The Victoria Filipino Canadian Society says the program will also help dispel fears some have of police.
So it works both ways, you know, for police officers to see us not just as the Asian gang member, and for us also to see police officers as understanding and kind and compassionate.
While the program officially launches today, a pilot started in January, which has already garnered positive results.
I can tell you that some of our community partners have already invited us to community events that in the past we weren't invited to. And it's already starting to pay dividends in the relationships that we're starting to build.
Manick hopes this program continues to grow with more groups stepping up to participate to ensure local police have a better understanding of the people they serve.